Hello everyone, the ANENG Mini Greenhouse is a crucial tool for my garden and I would want to share you today some of the insights I have gained from using it. As a diligent gardener, I have found this little greenhouse to be an excellent asset in my quest to better my gardening experience. This tool is essential for everyone who has the same passion for gardening as I do. Material and construction. Firstly, the material. The ANENG Mini Greenhouse is crafted from clear PVC. I was initially skeptical about its durability, but it has proven to be incredibly resilient. It has weathered several storms and scorching sunny days in my garden and still looks as good as new. What surprised me most was its lightweight nature, making it easy to move around. Yet it's tough enough to protect my beloved plants from harsh elements. Frame design. Firstly, let's discuss the topic at hand. The ANENG Mini Greenhouse made of transparent PVC is a remarkable sight. Due to its resilience, my initial worries over its durability have been much alleviated. My garden has shown resilient against several storms and hot, bright days, maintaining its flawless appearance. The component that delighted me the most was the combination of portability, strength, and enough protection for my beloved plants from the outdoors. Size and capacity. The proportions of this greenhouse, measuring 143 cm in length, 73 cm in width, and 195 cm in height, provide me a significant amount of satisfaction. It can house all types of plants, ranging from herb garden to larger flower plants. The inside space provides enough room for me to tend to my plants and gardening equipment, and I have discovered strategies to optimize every square inch of that space. Transparent cover. The transparency of the cover is really a remarkable attribute. As a result, the plants get optimal sunlight, which is crucial for their development. The use of this greenhouse has led to a substantial enhancement in the general vitality of my plants. By using a transparent cover, I am capable of precisely replicating the greenhouse effect required for optimal development and maturation of my specific plants. Ventilation system. The proposed roll-up door may provide sufficient airflow without the need for further ventilation. This capability has significantly enhanced the control of indoor temperature, particularly during the summer season, transferring my plants to a more favorable habitat really enhanced their well-being. Protection from pests and harsh weather. The device has capacity to safeguard individuals from hazards, avian creatures, and arthropods, enhances its appeal. Having the assurance that my plants are protected from external hazards gives me a sense of tranquility. Plants may thrive in the greenhouse, shielded from detrimental conditions. Versatility and multi-use. Constructing and upkeeping the greenhouse is uncomplicated and may fulfill various requirements. This has really benefited me in several ways. For example, it has safeguarded vulnerable plants from winter frost, extended the period for cultivating various crops, and hastened the development of young plants. Assembly and maintenance. The greenhouse was rapidly created with little effort and resources in terms of maintenance and setup. No specialized equipment was required since the directions were clear and fundamental. Regarding upkeep, it requires little effort. The PVC covers sleek texture, facilitates easy cleaning, and it has shown remarkable durability despite frequent usage. Conclusion. The ANENG Mini Greenhouse has beyond all of my expectations as a garden equipment, and I am really satisfied with it. Furthermore, it has both strength and versatility, making it very cost-effective. The use of this compact greenhouse will greatly enhance the level of care you provide to your plants, irrespective of your level of gardening expertise.